let's go. So, if I give you the following expression, and did we do that for one or not? Did we finish it? Yes. Okay, so how many terms were there? 4. What was the constant term? -8. Okay, put up your hand. You can tell me what a constant term means. Yes. Good. Okay. Number 3, the degree of the expression. 4. Yes. Who wants to tell me how do we identify what the degree of the highest power? Good. Number 4, the coefficient of x to the power of 2 was what? 3. Okay. What does coefficient mean? Yes, the number in front of that variable. Now, number 5, the coefficient of x to the power of 4. -5. And over there I said, please remember about the signs. No? Okay. Then, number 6, the value of the expression if x is -1. I think that is where we stopped. We substituted it in here, and then we said the final answer should be 2. Right. Now, yeah? 2. 1 for substitution and 1 for the final answer. Yes, thank you. Okay, so now over here, I'm asking you to simplify. Now, do you guys still remember about BODMAS? Put away the phone. BODMAS? What does the B stand for? Brackets. I first got to get rid of these brackets. And how do I get rid of them? Don't just take it out. What's written in front of this bracket? A +1. No. So that +1 must be multiplied with everything inside that bracket. No. So this first one, do I need to multiply anything in there? No, actually I'm multiplying in a 1, but it means everything will stay exactly the same. So you're going to have 7x plus 4x minus 2, and now we multiply in. 1 times minus 3x squared will become minus 3x squared. 1 times 6x will just be 6x. And 1 times minus 10 will be minus 10. Okay. Now, we have got to look for like terms. What are like terms again? They've got the same variables. Good. Okay, so we also want it to be in descending powers of x. No? So it's not that I'll subtract marks if you don't write it like that, but we want to practice for grade 12. So the x squared is the highest power, so I'm going to start with minus 3x to the power of 2. Now, 7x plus 4x plus 6x. Those are all like terms, right? Okay. And 7x plus 4x gives me 11x plus 6x. So 17x. Okay, now we look at our constant values. So minus 2 minus 10, and that gives me minus 12. Any questions? Can I skip? Anyone still busy? Good. The next one. Again, we've got to simplify, but what's written in front of this bracket? A 1. So would it change anything at the first bracket? No, so that's going to stay 5x squared plus 3x minus 6. But from here on, there's actually a minus 1 in front. So now that minus 1, I have to multiply it. So minus 1 times 4x squared will give me minus 4x squared. Now, minus 1 times minus 2x will give me a minus times a minus, positive 2x. Now, minus 1 times 3 will give me minus 3. Does everyone understand that? Okay, so now I can look for like terms. So 5x squared and minus 4x squared. They are like terms, and that would give me 1x squared, but I can just write x squared. No. Then 3x and plus 2x, those are like terms. That's going to give me 5x. And then minus 6 minus 3 will give me minus 9. You guys good? Okay, now I want to give you one more word sum. Can I carry on? Yes, ma'am. Okay, now subtract 4x squared plus 3x minus 8 from 2x squared minus 9x plus 1. Now always remember, whatever is written after the word from, so that we use first. So I'm going to start with what's okay. So I'm saying we always start with whatever was written after the word from. Okay, so what was written after from? That 2x squared. Okay, so I'm going to say 2x squared minus 9x plus 1. Okay. I know I'm going to start with that. Now they're saying subtract 4x squared, what, from that. So I know I must say minus. No, because I'm supposed to subtract. But can I now just start with 4x squared plus 3x? What must I do? I must have that in brackets because that's like one thing. I'm subtracting that whole thing from the previous one. Do you guys understand? Okay. So on your own, try and do that one. What am I going to do now? I'm going to multiply in that negative 1. No. Okay. Try. You guys done? No. Okay, have a look. I now have to multiply in. So minus 1 times 4x squared will give me minus 4x squared. Minus 1 times 3x will give me minus 3x. And minus 1 times minus 8 will give me positive 8. So can you see all the signs basically changed? No. Okay, now we've got to look for like terms. 2x squared minus 4x squared will give me minus 2x squared. And then minus 9x minus 3x will give me minus 12x. And 1 plus 8 gives me 9. Okay. Are you guys good? Any questions? Okay, now, the homework is a lot, but you have got like 15-20 minutes now to finish that. So that's going to be exercise 8.1. Yeah. So that's page 72. You're going to do the whole exercise. So meaning number 1 up until 8. Okay. I'm quickly going to skip back. Just tell me when to stop. Oh. Yeah? Yeah? No. Positive 4 minus 6x, meaning subtract 6. So minus 2x. Okay. Right, people, there's your homework. You guys can get started on that now.